What's up, mini truckers? Ben here, that US Mini Trucks. We got another episode of What's Under the Driver's Seat. You're the next contestant. We got a Subaru sandbar. Got a ripped seat. Getting it out for reupholstery. Let's pull it out and see what we find. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Something cool. Lime sugarless gum. Hello. Let's see. What's up there? I don't know. They give you a little prize pack or something. Feels like a sponge, maybe. Should we try one? We gotta try one. Yeah, lime mint. Kind of tastes like icy hot. I'm not sure what's happening. It's the D2 original though, so you gotta try it. Okay, we got a little plastic baggie, some little piece of foam. I use drinking straw. Hopefully there's not a dirty piece of toilet paper. Here's a paper towels or napkins. Blow your nose in there. Look at these kids. It's funny. Off to school. The school napkins. This is a supercharged one, so that's the computer, the jack. That's where the spare tire tool is supposed to go. Well, I guess that's it. No prizes today. Hopefully you liked that episode. You're always a winner on What's Under the Driver's Seat. My wife was saying I'm probably gonna die, and this is 20 years ago. Expired, so I came to see the expiration. Okay, 2014. Not too bad, I'm still here. Please write something in the comments and hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't, because I've got to pay my medical bills from the 6-year-old Japanese bubblegum. Have a good one.